Welcome back, Chef Squad! Ito na naman po ang inyong lingkod nagbabalik with a very interesting recipe na swak sa budget nyo. Yan po ay ang Baked Garlic Tahong with a big surprise! Yummy! But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's go! Our main ingredient ay tahong. Linisin mabuti at ibabad sa tubig. For our garlic butter mixture, ito ang mga ingredients. Exact measurements are shown in the description below. Guys, for our garlic, we just need 4 cloves. I-crush, pitpitin, pukpukin, durugin, whatever. Pagsama-samahin lahat ng mga ingredients. Haluin. Halo, halo, halo. By the way guys, while mixing, let's prepare a glass at lagyan ng ice. Wow! Saglit lang Chef Squad, medyo nauhaw lang ang inyong lingkod, sorry. Anyway, konti lang naman need natin para sa mixture. Halo, halo, halo. Lagyan na natin ng mixture ang ating mga tahong. Lagyan din ng cheese on top. Wow! More cheese! Cheesy life! It's time to bake! our finished product. Yummy! Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. At kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Mag-subscribe ka na. Please like and share our videos. And huwag mahiyang mag-comment below. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye for now.